Hello friends, today we are going to do the topic called syncopation. So in this topic we can read that instead of writing music on a usual beat of the bars, sometimes composers throw notes off beat. That means if you see in the examples here, normally we write 2 4 like this, right? 1 and 2. Okay? But what they have done, so when you count this is 1 and 2 and, but what they have done here is they have given 1. So general people think this is 2 and this is and, but that is wrong. What they have done, they have added this and tied together. So they have tied and 2 together. So that's a written here. So generally, if you count this beat, it will be 1 and 2 should have been here, and this is and. So they have tied these two together. Okay. Same way, if you see in 4 times in nature, normally we count it like 1, 2, 3, 4. But what they have done, they have added 2 and 3 together. They have tied them together and they become 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So this is called the syncopated pattern. Okay. If you see the examples here down, so you can see same thing what I've explained you here. They have tied these two beat. Okay. And that's how it become a syncopated pattern. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, just let me know. Let's move on to the question. So they're saying write 2 more repeats of these syncopated ostinati. Ostinati we know means the repetition of a rhythm of the bars. Okay. So now we have to just repeat these two. So let's do this simply. This is 2 4. So you see in this one, this is 1. This is and 2 and. Okay. So they have tied the 2 and 2 together. Okay. So let's do it here. So we do this. Same way in the last bar. So in simple words, you have to understand that they have just how they have tied. So now in this one, these common times in each other, this is 2 by 2. Okay. So in this one, the beat normally should have been 2 half notes, right? But what they have done, they have, this is 1 and this is and. Here should have been 2 and, but they have tied these two together. So it becomes this beat, a minim beat. Okay. So let's write them again. Just repeat them. It again. Okay. Let's move on to next. Now here the time signature is 4 4. So that means there should have been 4 quarter notes, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, but what they have done and how we count them, we should have written them like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But here, what they have done, they have tied the and 2 together. Okay. And 4 together. So that it becomes 1 and 2. Sorry. So 1 and 3 and 4 and. So actual beat should have been like this, but after making it syncopated, it becomes like this. Okay. So we have to repeat this. So let's repeat it here. So we write 4 4. Then we write the beat here. Now in this is next one is 3 2. So in 3 2, there should have been 3 minim beats. So generally it should have been 1 here and third one should be here. So that means this is your 1, beat, second beat, and third beat, like 3 beginning beats. But what they have done, and if we count other way this one, so they have tied 1 and 2 and 3, and so they have tied these two together. So when we count, it becomes 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, so that is how it become syncopated. So let's repeat them again. So we write 3 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, now next question we have is write 4 rhythmic rhythms using the note and rest values include at least one syncopated pattern. So we have to write a rhythm over here by using our rest notes and the syncopated pattern, at least one. So let's start with 3 by 2. Before we start, let's mark the bars. Now in 3 by 2, remember, either we could have write semi-brave dotted or we can write 3 minims, right? So but instead of writing it normally, let's start it with a crochet rest, and then we'll give a 1 crochet beat. So instead of where we would have given accent on one, but we cannot give accent now on one. We giving accent on and. 1 and then we write 2 and 3. So we have changed the accent. If we write in natural way, then it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3, but now it's and 1 2 and, so 1 and 2 3 1 and 2 3, like that. So we have changed the accent of it. Okay, next let's write minim beat here, one more minim beat and one minim rest. Okay, next we can do semi brave and one crochet rest and then one crochet beat, and last we can give a rest, or let's do a semi brave dotted semi brave note. Okay, next is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means we should have 2 minim beats in one bar. Yeah, now over here what we can do is, instead of start doing a normal 1 2, we start with a crochet beat, then we can give one minim, and then we can finish with one crochet beat. So instead of 1 2, we started 1 and 2 and. Okay, so we have changed the accent over there. Next we can write here one semi brave rest, then we can write here 2 quiver note, then one crochet beat, then we can write one minim beat, then we can finish with one, or let's write 2 minim beat. Okay, now next we have 4 by 4. That means we should have 4 crochet beat in one bar. Now what we're doing is, instead of counting straight away 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, we're doing it, we'll give accent here and we'll change the pattern of 3. So we'll miss 3 over here in the rhythm, so it will count with the 2. 1 2 3 4 1 2. So we, instead of giving accent here on 3, we changed it. We did not give any accent over here on 3, so this pattern has changed. Yeah, so now let's write this as 2 crochet beat, then we can have one crochet rest, and then we can have 2 quiver, we can have one minim, one crochet beat, and then 2 semiquaver, sorry, quavers, not semiquavers, and then we can have 1 semi-beat. Okay, the last one is 2 by 4, so that means 2 crochet beat in 1 bar. So here we can start with a semiquaver, then we can give 1 crochet beat and finish with the quiver. So this is our syncopated pattern. The normal pattern would be here 2 crochet beat. Now here we can give a quiver of rest. Then we can, to finish this first, we have to make a quiver of beat, and then we can have 1 quiver beat in here, and then in the end we can do with 1 mini beat. Okay friends, so here we finished this topic. Now I will see you in another topic. Till then, thank you.